Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a movie or TV show on your Netflix kids profile. So go ahead and go to the account on the upper right hand side and click manage profiles. And from here, select the kids profile. Just scroll down here and click on that kids profile that you want. Now go down to where it says adjust the parental controls and click on that. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see title restriction for my kids, and you can enter the name of the show and the title here. So I don't have one at the moment, but I'm going to just duplicate this tab right here as I'm doing this from the PC and go back and just quickly find something so I can show you. So I'm going to go into one of those kids profile here. Let me go ahead and just choose the kids profile right here and just find a title that I want. So let's say I want to, let me find something that I could actually choose, right? So this one is called the Smurf, right? That's what it's called. And let me click the drop down here so I can find the name of it. And it's basically called the Smurf, I believe, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just close this, switch back to one of the adult accounts as we can see here, and go back and let me type the Smurf. And you can just basically start typing these things and you will see it pops up there, guys. So as you can see, even if you don't know the entire name, you don't even have to do that. If you have an idea, you can just simply start typing and it will start to find the name of the show or series or whatever it is. So let's say I want to block the Smurf. I can click on this and I can add it and I can type it again. You can add more than one. So the Smurf again, so I can do the two and so forth and so forth. And once you're done, just simply click and save. And that's pretty much it, guys. And that's how you can easily go ahead and block TV shows and movies on a Netflix kids profile. Very easy and very simple.